going. Mom and Dad may have had several close calls, much like the one you just heard. I would have Dad say something to you, but really, he should just keep his eyes on the road. So, we love you guys. The road's getting smaller and smaller at this point. Look up ahead here. Outside of these tunnel jungle roads is amazing pointy mountains. We're on our way up to a giant crater right now, by the way. Most Haoles don't go on this road, or very many Hawaiians either. And probably for good reason. Not quite sure what that would be. Oh boy. I just got about whacked with a bush again. Let's see out there? We're coming to a clearing a little bit. Okay, well, on that note, I keep thinking we're going on a little smoother road so I can record, but
it's a long mile.
I think we've got a lot more rough roads up ahead, so we'll get back with you later. Love you.
Long mile, eh?